On a side note, I thought I would share with you how I make the paper wallets. Although Bonnie does a much better job at it, but I will share with you that there's two sizes here, and it doesn't really matter as long as it's a rectangle. I did both ways. I did a folded edge, not even measuring. So that side there, and then this side, and you can see here the edge is very raggedy. Again, doesn't matter to me. This is a project where you can be precise if you'd like. And then when I'm going to glue this down, I'll use glue stick for that. And that just gives it a firmer edge. All right, so I folded it in half. And I guess the other thing is, whatever side you want the outside of your wallet to be the pretty side, whatever you consider the pretty side, then you will fold it in half like that, and then bring up your bottom part of the page to the fold line, and you can crease in between. For me, the fun of this whole process is to see the different kind of pages and how they turn out. And then you take your edge and just make a triangle fold to the crease line. And we're going to do that on 4 sides, on the 4 corners. So that goes like that. So then you have your 4 corners into the second fold line. And then you take your fold to the middle, so it looks like this. And then what you do is you flip it over, and you simply take this is where some of mine were wonky, and you want to just have your V showing like that. And then take this side, and you're going to do the same thing. But you can see here, I don't know how I'm going to explain this because it's more of a visual. But if I bring this to where it's the same exposed, same amount of V here, you can see that they don't reach. What you want to do is you want to fold it. You want to give yourself a fold really to the other side, so you can refold it, because you're going to be inserting it like that. Okay, so then what I'll do is I'll take this, I'm going to do it again. Take your corners and put them into the flap like this, and it doesn't look like anything. Then you sort of manipulate it till it goes to the end. Thank you for visiting today. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. I really appreciate it. Looks like that. And I'm going to take my bone folder or any kind of a nice flat end. Oops. And I can also use my card or something to give you your sharper edges right here, like that. And then you just fold it in, like so. Give it another crease. Very easy. Depending on the size and the dimensions of the page, that's where you're going to, where you want to get this middle part where you fold them in. You want them to overlap, not so far that they won't come together, but you want to make sure that you have a fold so that they fit inside of each other. I don't know if that makes sense to you at all. You might have some wrinkles, and that's okay. That was certainly fine with me. This was a smaller one, and I will not be folding in the ends because I didn't do that to all of them. So I'll just do this run really quick. Worked out nicely. You don't always have all the sides nice because you have writing on here. And that's okay. A little bit of writing. Have my my openings, my sleeves, I mean, and then my sleeve like this. Like that. 2 quick wallets, different sizes, not perfect, but fun, different textures. Okay, so I'm going to go this way just to share how I did some wallets that were this aspect. I wanted to see how that worked. It's really different. I like it. So I still have my little sleeves, my pockets. Look at that. Well, that's fun. It's a tall one. Completely different. There you go. You can choose what you like. Love it. Have fun, everyone.